Hello and welcome to Hartman. Today we're assembling the Heritage and Henley 110cm round table. Inside the box you'll need to locate the bolt pack. Carefully empty the bolt pack to ensure you have the assembly instructions and the lists of components and fixings. Using this list, please check you have the correct amount of components and fixings and read through the instructions carefully before starting assembly. Please allow up to 30 minutes. Although assembly only requires one person, it will always be easier with the help of a friend. Also in the box, you should have these components: tabletop, 2 legs, 2 panels, and 1 glass tabletop. Pro tip: place a lock washer, then the flat washer onto all bolts for a hassle-free assembly. Making sure the curves are facing the same direction, place a plastic washer between the leg and the panel and attach using the larger bolt, part F. Do not fully tighten any bolts at this stage as you'll need the flexibility. Repeat this process for all legs and panels till you end up with this base. On a soft, clean surface, place the tabletop face down and align the base to the top. Then attach with the shorter bolts, part E. Once completed, use a spanner provided to tighten all bolts. Be careful not to over-tighten as aluminium is a soft metal and this will cause the thread to become damaged. Then place nut caps onto all exposed bolts. With the help of a friend, turn the table to the upright position and place the glass top. Hartman. Comfort, design, quality.